Staten Island, Long Island.
The Bronx.
The Bronx. Big up all the people from Brooklyn. 90s, 50s, 40s. Bed-Stuy, Crown Heights, East New York and RC. Bed-Stuy, Bronxville, East New York. How you mean, man?
Flatbush.
Hey! Can't forget Flatbush, boy.
I can't forget that, boy.
How you mean, the whole tri-state. We're gonna be NYPD as well. You don't know.
But
thank you for your service.
But Nasty, we have to big up our special guests on the truck.
We have Spice on the truck and Brooklyn Lola!
Lola Brook on the truck. Yeah. Let the truck turn though, please, respectfully. You guys be very demure. Guys, be please. Please. Just be very demure. Let the truck pass.
So let the truck turn and then we can continue.
Yes. So all they just calm down. Be very demure. Let the truck pass.
We're up with friends on the NYPD. They don't know. We're up with security. We're up DMV Sound System.
Don't play a video. Hold on now.
We're up everybody on the outside. They don't know. We're up on the stand.
Hold on. Spice, say one more thing to the people.
Yo, Wagwan, big up on yourself! Let me hear you shout where you representing for! Where the Jamaica people them there?
Sesame Carnival.
Trinidad, I don't see your flag! We have anybody from Bahamas? Grenada? Guyana? St. Lucia? Belize? Shout where you representing for? What about all my Haitians? I got Lola Brook on the track! Where my people from Brooklyn?
Watch the left side of the truck. Watch the left side of the truck.
Hey, yo, Brooklyn, can I get a yeah? Y'all so much.
So you Sesame Flyers, Hot 97 WBLS. My name is DJ. Follow me on Instagram at DJ Young Child, DJ YOUNGCHOW. We got to my brother Nasty. Nasty, what's going on? We got DJ Spice, DJ Big Nito. We got Scully, all the DJs on the truck. Definitely got Sesame Flyers. I think it's a wrap.
Now we ain't done yet, bro.
We're not done yet?
Now we ain't done yet, Joe.
Oh, I bet.
Anybody ready to go on the way? I said no. Anybody don't like violence? Let me say no. Right, you want peace and love. You don't know. Anytime there are people coming here, we know it's a party. So let me show them how we are party. With no problems, no violence at all. Because we live sweetly together on the road. Express, squeeze something nice for them now. Girl, you know I got my eyes on you. I'm loving the things you do. No, we got my own, yeah. We only passing through. Listen, girl, you know I got my eyes on you. I'm loving the things you do. We only passing through. Give me the tune. Brooklyn here, what we you just deal with, man. I go by the name Mr. Pulley. Pull up, pull up. All of them have eyes on you. If all of them have eyes on you, put on the DJ who have the eyes on you, please. Yeah, they're going mad if they don't have eyes on you. You understand? I go by the name Mr. Pulley. What you say, Scully? Gush, gush.
Here we go.